Sometimes I get people that ask me, how do I help my kids build their credit? They're teenagers or they're turning 18 or they're going to college and they want to help them build their credit. And what I usually tell the person is that place your kid as an authorized user on one of your credit cards. Make sure you pick a card that you've had a long time and that you've never ever been late on and that the balance is low compared to the credit limit. And what will happen is that credit for that account will now appear on your child's credit report. And so your child will get all the benefit of that positive account. And you'd be surprised how just one or two of those authorized user accounts on your child that's 18 or 19 can make them have a really good credit score almost immediately. And that will allow them to get their own credit card so that they go to college, then maybe they'll use it for an emergency. But it's a great way for you as a parent or family member to help your child build their credit. So if you have any other credit issues, if you need a credit score increase, contact me. I'll give you a free credit repair analysis and estimate.